Shaw Stadium in Santa Clara, California, the site of tonight's match between the San Jose Earthquakes and DC United. And as we take a look at the standings, you'll see DC United sitting right at the top of the Eastern Conference. Quite the turnaround from where they were a year ago.
Things down in the final third with a pass or a dribble, and they've got their big goal scorer, Chris Wondolowski, a terrific strike break before he left for the World Cup. They want to see that from him again. Nick DeLeon, a terrific goal away at Toronto, individual effort, and without a Spindola, Luis Silva will be more of a playmaker sitting underneath Eddie Johnson that needs to start getting into the goals.
San Jose in the first choice blue, DC changing to the white. The Earthquakes coming in off the back of 3 straight shutout losses. In fact, they're back-to-back losses here at home, as that's offside on Eddie Johnson. First time since 2010. The Earthquakes have been beaten back-to-back at home. Thought at one point he actually was going to be a part of the World Cup camp.
Well, yeah, he had reason to believe his bags were packed, and we'll watch this play go out.
Rolfe cutting it back, and that may be a handball. There it is. Penalty kick for DC United. Brandon Barklage had his arm up, the former DC player. Penalty in 4 years against Dallas earlier this season. Opportunity for DC to get their noses in front early and just tucked underneath the arm. Eddie Johnson's second goal of the year. 1-0 DC United.
Minute scored by number 7, Eddie Johnson.
Yeah, it's unlucky a little bit for Barklage, but can't have too many arguments, and John Bush reads it, almost gets there, gets a good jump off the line, and Eddie Johnson puts enough pace on it.
Picked that up off of Barklage, played it back with his foot in a moment of panic, but cleared away. Chris Rolfe has Silva making the run. Silva, did he get anything out of it or not? He's pointing at Chris Rolfe. Whoever got the final touch, it's 2-0 DC inside of a half hour.
Silva gets this touch, and it's an outstanding finish. Chris Rolfe's been floating around a ton, flying in different spots, and John Bush can't believe the strong defense that's been so stingy gets beat on one run. It's a bad giveaway in the back. Perry Kitchen gets it to Rolfe, and look at the jog back from Harris. Not enough work to get in front of him and block that. Goodson gets beat by the near post run. Great ball in. That's an outstanding ball from Rolfe. Gets his head up, sees the run, but what a terrific finish from Silva just to get the soul to
Lenhart gets the header. Wondolowski. Stevenson has Harris trying to hold on side. He is onside. Atiba Harris now to the byline. Rolls it in front of me. Just got a touch. Great reaction from Franklin. Stewart blasts it over the mark.
Great sequence here from San Jose. Ball gets wide. Harris does a good job of staying onside. And a little tip from Hamid, but this is a great touch from Franklin. Against the grain, running one way, just reaches back, and what an important toe this is. As Jallo.
Marno, Johnson. Bobby Boswell. Playing it from deep. Johnson gets the head onto the backside. Luis Silva's there. Silva working on Barklage. Back for Chris Rolfe. An opportunity saved by Bush. And the rebound cleared up by Cronin. Wondolowski first to react to that loose ball in the center. Jordan Stewart trying to accelerate forward. Ball falls back to his feet from Franklin. Stewart. There's too many white shirts in there, but they can't get it clear. Stevenson. Wondolowski creating space at the deflection. Shot it in! On his return from the World Cup, Wondolowski has the Earthquakes back in it.
This comes from Jordan Stewart bombing forward. But Wondolowski does a great job getting it on his left foot. Definitely benefits from that deflection. But gets it onto the left foot. You can see he takes the deflection completely wrong foot. Bill Hamid.
Able to clear the immediate danger. Cronin with his head up. Cronin clipping it in. Wondolowski won a ball. Wondolowski saved by Hamid. And then out for a goal kick.
What a ball. I'm thinking as this ball comes, Chris Wondolowski's going to 100% take that out of the air first time. And he elects to control it. It's a delightful ball, and I thought maybe he'd go to try to swivel and hit that first time towards the goal. Tries to take it down. Bill Hamid does a good job of coming out, getting big.
Wondolowski for Cronin. Yannick Jallo. Atiba Harris wants it on the right. Atiba Harris has it now. Harris driving it in on frame. A great reaction, Bill Hamid. Expecting the cross, found a shot. Knocks it out for a corner.
Well, by the flight of this ball, you'd have to say he intends to do this. And he looks Bill Hamid off to the left. What a save. Great footwork, good extension there from Bill Hamid.
Cronin the ensuing corner. Away by Birnbaum. Stevenson, first time redirected by Harris. And out over the top for a goal kick. Trying to find Lenhart. Held in by Cronin. Lenhart still in there. Franklin comes away with the ball. It's off of Jallo. They can't get this clear. The scoop pass for Cronin. Cronin fires it, knocked away by Hamid and out for a corner. His 6th save of the game.
We're starting to get Jallo touches where he could be the most dangerous right outside of the 18. Another terrific save. Good scoop pass here, and that's an outstanding save.
Battling with Boswell, who argues for a handball. Arnaud gets it away for Neal. Goodson to step up, gets knocked down. Referee letting it go. Goodson again dumped to the turf. He's furious about it. Referee plays advantage. Salinas. Double team. And they get him isolated on Korb. Salinas whips it in. Header away. That was Birnbaum. Wondolowski tracks it down. Chris Wondolowski. Good defensive work by Nick DeLeon. And now he's trying to lead the breakout with Connor Doyle. Hernandez plays long. Goodson is up to try to get it knocked down. It's Cronin who picks it up. Wondolowski urged to shoot. It takes a deflection of the pass. Goodson, Wondolowski, Cronin lifting it out of Gordon. Oh my goodness! Twice saved. Lenhardt's follow-up is missed. Hamid saves the first effort. The second was blocked off the line. How about that?
Watch as this ball squirts out. What an outstanding ball. And you see Alan Gordon just check his run real quick to stay onside. But what about that save from Bill Hamid?
And Chris Korb was the second effort that he blocked. John Franklin, as far as he can boot that thing. Doyle gets the touch. We're past the 4 minutes. Jair Marufo blows for full time, and DC hang on. A third straight win away from home.